Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle, regular puzzle, the Four Stars Sudoku, in today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, Monday, December the 23rd, 2024. We have 8 days to go till end of the year. The news of today, well, 443 days ago, another war started, not in Ukraine, but in Israel. And the war is still going on. Yes. And I've told you earlier, we have not so good news because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional, so only these three regular puzzles for today. Well, I can assure you tomorrow is the last day before the holidays. I think there will be a lot of puzzles for the coming days. But this one, the Four Stars Sudoku, will be number 9791. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has, again, 27 printed digits. Well, usually the Four Stars puzzle has 24. This one has 3 digits more, should be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number I can pick. Oh, there's a lot of sevens. A lot of sevens. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places 11 and 7 should be here. Or there we have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the last column. 7 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places 11 and 7 should be here. Or there we have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the last row. 7 in the row above. So that row, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here. Here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. We have a 7 in that column, no 7 there. The only place 11 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here or there. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 in the second column, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. Alright, now, how about the number? Let me see. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in the last row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next, so that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6, 6, 6, 6. Cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the middle row. No 1 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in this row. 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the third row. 1 in the first row. So the row between the second row. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, cannot continue with the 1 now. Need to wait. How about? We have a 5 here. Yeah. I need to think now. Need a 3 there. 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 2. 4, 4. How about here? 4, 4. Need a 4 there. Need a 1 there. 1, 4. 9 and the 3. 9, yeah. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 9 goes there. Okay, and now need a 3 there. 2, 2, need a 2 there. Yeah, in this big square we need a 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in this box. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in this row, 2 in one of those two boxes in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left of the 2 should be here. Or there we have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2, 2. Need a 2 here, so we need a 2 here. Yeah, in this row we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers in the third row is the number 2. Here give me 2, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. Here give me 2, we have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. So the 2 in the third row could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left of the 2 should be here. Or there we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Now I cannot continue with the 2. How about? I need a 3 here. Come on. 2, 8 and a 4. 8 and a 4. 2, 3 and then 9. 9, 9. Need a 9 here or there. 9, 9. 9, 9. 9, 9, 9. 9, 9, 9, 9. Come on. 4, 4, 4, 4. Need a 4 here. Do we have all the 7s? And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Yes, digit number 1, number 7. 6, 6. And I need a 6 there. Okay. 3, 3. Need a 3 here. 3, 8, 9. 8 in this row, first row, 8 in the second row, so third row, the only place left 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in the third row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 9 goes there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column. The only place left of 3 should be there. 3, 3. 3, 3. 3, 3. Okay, in this column, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. Here give me 3, we have 3 in this row, no 3 there. Here give me 3, we have 3 in this row, no 3 there. So the 3 in this column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 3 in the last row, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. Alright. 2. Come on, 4, 5. Need a 5 here. Come on. How about the 2? Still 2. I cannot. 2, 2. Need a 2 there. Need a 2 there. Yeah. 4, 4. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this third column should be there. So 2 numbers left now in the third column. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes. And then, okay, need a 1 here. Need a 1 here. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left, and 1 should be here. Or there, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only place left, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 1. Then, need a 9 here. 9 and Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in one of those two boxes in the first column, 9 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column. Now only two places left, and 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Then need a 4 here. How about the 5? Need a 5 there. Come on, come on, come on. 2, 5. Yeah. 2, 5. And I need a 6 here. In this column, we need a 6. The second column. Here can be 6. We have a 6 in the middle row. No 6 there. Here can be 6. We have a 6 in the first row. No 6 there. So the only place left with 6 should be there then. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place level 6 should be here. Two numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1. The 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5, we have 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Two missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in the middle second column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes. And there, 2 in this row, 2 in the third row, so the row between the second row. Only place level 2 should be here. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1 and 2. The 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. Cannot fill this yet. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4, the 5 is missing here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and then 9 goes, and there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Here also 4 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Here 1 box left in this row for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing here. Okay. Here 2 numbers left, the 4 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Well, here 2 numbers left, the 8 and the 9. Cannot fill this yet. 8, 9, and 9. I need a 4 here. Okay. 3, 4, and... well, need an 8 there. 8. In this big square, we need an 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there then. Same for here, we need an 8 in this big square. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so the row between the only two places left on the 3 could be here, could be there. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 4, 8, 9. I need a 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so I'll come next. Only two places left for 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column between the only two places left for 9 could be here, could be there. 4, 8, 9, and need a 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only two places left for 5 goes together with the 9 as a pair. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 8 and 9, we have 9 now in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 8 or a 9, we have a 9 now, so this box should be an 8. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. Here we have 2 numbers left, the 4 and 8. Okay. 1 box left now in this big square for number, I believe the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 8, we have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 8 goes there. 4 and 8, we have 8 now, so this box should be a 4. So 2 numbers left, the 8 and the 3. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 and the 4, we have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the last 2 numbers, 4 and 8, we have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finished. 15 minutes again. Yeah, same time like the previous Sudoku. But we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. And you can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle, the regular puzzle, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.